great spot. You want to watch Peregrine Falcons come down Boeing Aerospace building, Kent, Washington. Building won't be here too much longer. They're tearing it down, but if you want to see the Peregrine, you better get down here. They've been wintering out here for years. It's a great spot for peregrine watching, and other birds at the lake or at the pond too. Get a lot of merlins, kestrels, sharpshins, coopers, all kinds of ducks and geese, green herons, great blue herons, ospreys. Oh yeah, hop down here. Let's see what's going on here. Got something on the mind. Oh yeah, just kind of surveying the whole area here. It's a good sized pond with a lot of ducks. Looking for that opportunity to catch up. There comes the kestrel in now. He's dive bombing again. I'll back off a little bit. See, there he is. See him? That's a resident kestrel in the area. Likes to have a little fun with the peregrine. He landed over in the side now. Off to the left a little bit here. There we go. We're on the next stripe over. There he goes, coming back over here on our bird. This kestrel does sleep on this building also, so he's having a little fun here. And he flew over on the other side now. That's the one that nested over at the Heritage Farm this year, and they had raised 4 babies there. It's right across the Green River on the west side. But that kestrel winters out here also, so he's hanging out here with the peregrines, having a little fun. I'll come back in a little bit. There we go. Yeah, the kestrel went up on the other ladder. They know each other. It's kind of a little playtime. Okay, peregrine's going to preen a little more. Kestrel's done harassing them for a little bit. She's getting ready. Birds are flying and she's getting ready for the flight, I think. I'll back off a little more here. Heads are bobbing now. Oh yeah. Checking off to the left and the right. Trying to figure out where she should head for. Saw that bird fly by. She almost took out after it. She's watching everything over on the other side of the pond too, so I think she's getting ready here. Oh yeah, turn those wings around, stretching out. Checking everything off in this direction. Keep an eye out where that kestrel went. And zooming in there, bugging him a little bit. Well, the kestrel went off, done dive bombing. Peregrine's sitting here kind of enjoying a little peace and quiet right now. Constantly looking over her wing, the left and the right, trying to figure out which bird to chase, I think. Been sitting here a while, had a good stretch. Oh yeah, if anything moves on the pond, she'll go for it. We call it the Boeing Aerospace Pond, down by Kent, Washington. About 2 blocks. Two and a half blocks from the KOA campground on 59 South. Alright, I'm gonna preen up. Look at that. Well, I'll get those feathers in shape here. Well, we'll watch that. Bird loves it here. Winter's out here every year, so there goes a little fuzzy feather floating. We've enjoyed watching them in the past years. They come down every winter and they'll stick around here till mating season in the spring, and then they go off to, we don't know where. We think it might be up at Angle Lake. It's not far from here, up towards the airport. But even in the middle of nesting season, they have come back a couple times to hunt and then take off and go back up where it is. So that can't be too far away. There she is, working that wing. Oh yeah, I hear the noise now. They got their machines fired up. They're getting ready to do some more work here. It looks like she's going to keep preening up. Alright then. Well, here's our Peregrine Falcon sitting over here by the ladder on this side of the building, because they're tearing all the siding off right next to her regular perch. I'll pan over. Coming over here where she usually sits. And there's her other perch right there, and you can see they're taking siding off on both sides. That's where she usually sits. So that's why she's there. Right there in the middle. That was her perch. When they get done working, it'll be interesting to see if she comes back and uses it. I'll come back over to her again. It won't be long. She'll have to think about going to the other building. But so far, she's hanging in there. She's actually quite calm about it. There she is. I'll come as much as I can. She's been hanging out here most of the morning. All right. There she is. Oh yeah. Let's see, maybe she'll take off. She's been preening and carrying on, so maybe she'll fly over here towards the pond or see what else is going on in the area. But we're watching these guys tear her building apart. Oh yeah, she got, oh, I got her stretching her leg out. She got all preened up earlier, so I was up close between the buildings, and I came over here to see how much siding has been removed, and that's what's going on today. Alright, well, we'll check back. Looks like she's going to sit this one out for a while.